Introduction to components.
Components are reusable, self-contained pieces of code used to build user interfaces in modern front-end frameworks. They help developers break down complex web applications into smaller, manageable parts, making it easier to create, maintain, and scale websites and apps.
How components work.
Each component typically represents a specific UI element or section, such as a button, navigation bar, or form. Components contain their own logic, structure, and often styling. When combined, they form the complete interface, allowing for consistent design and behavior across the application.
Why use components?
Components enable code reuse and modular development. Instead of copying and pasting code, developers can use the same component in multiple places. This leads to less duplication and easier updates, since changes to a component are reflected everywhere it's used.
Components in popular frameworks.
Frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular use components as their core concept. Each framework has its unique approach, but all rely on components to simplify development. Whether you're rendering a simple button or a complex data table, components make building web interfaces more efficient.
Conclusion. Components as building blocks.
Components are the fundamental building blocks of modern web UIs. By organizing user interfaces into modular pieces, they improve code quality, boost productivity, and make websites easier to maintain. Understanding components is essential for anyone learning front-end development today.